So today is Thursday, January 14th, 2021. And first and foremost, we're going to go over sight words. Let me move my chair and get into my sight word moves. Okay. Alrighty. I'm going to shuffle them up. This word is
Came.
Came. This word is came. Can everyone say came? Came. Ooh, so we're just ready to do all the motions. That's right. And we said we came to this meet. So we did C-A-M-E. Came. We came. We're here. Yes. We're here. We came. What is this word? Who could help me out? What is this word, Zoe?
Small.
Small, that's right. And small is, we whisper it. S-M-A-L-L, small. It's small. Right. Who could tell me what this word is?
Also.
This is also. Can everyone say also? Also, that's right. This is the word also. Also, remember what were we going to do for also? We were going to do like I have this hand and I also have this hand. So A-L-S-O, also. Love it. So that is also. Whoop, I skipped one. Who could tell me what this word is? Set. That's right, set. And remember, we're going to pretend like we're setting something on the floor. S-E-T, set. Right? We have a box. I'm going to set my flashcards on the floor. I set them on the floor. I need them back. Okay. Set. That's right. Set. I set it on the floor. Who could tell me what this word is? Three. That's right. Remember, we're doing T-H-R-E-E. Three. Three. This is the number word for three. Can everyone say three for me? Three. Good job. Oh, who could tell me what this word is?
Following.
Following, that's right. This is the word following. And following is like we're following a friend or following the leader. F-O-L-L-O-W-I-N-G. Following. Following. Oh, what's this one? I think this is everyone's favorite. Show. S-H-O-W, show me your word. Right? Show. Oh, what's this one? Oh, I see Darren doing it.
Want.
That is want. That's right. This is the word want. Right? Want. And W-A-N-T, want. I want it. Aubrey, give me your sweatshirt. I want it. Cameron, give me your Grogu shirt. I want it. Give it to me. All right. That's not a nice way to ask, though. You should say, please, could I have that? And if they say no, you should say, okay, that's okay. So, but that's a way for us to remember our words. We make up silly little motions, and anytime we do sight words, you guys can just call out the words. That's totally okay, because this is when we're learning our words best, is when you learn from your friends, okay? Okay, next thing we're going to do, we are going to talk about more magic E rule. Okay, so the first, you're a little far away there, Easel. Okay. The first magic E rule that we're going to talk about today is magic E with Mr. O. Okay, so This would typically be Oscar Orange, right? But when Magic E, Silent Magic E, shoots back Magic Sparkles, and he makes the letter Mr. O appear to say his name O. Okay, so Magic E shoots back Sparkles to make Mr. O appear. Alright, so today we are going to do kind of something similar that we did yesterday. Okay, I'm going to kneel on the floor. Could someone raise their hand and give me a word that has Magic E with Mr. O? Cameron.
Mo.
Mo? Yeah, the name Mo. Yeah. There's no consonant here, though. Give me a word that has a consonant here. Any other words? Where are you all learning from right now? Are you at, you're all at home, right? Even Mrs. Cooper's teaching from home. Right, you're all at home. This is not home. No, it's home, right? Because the E shoots Magic Sparkles. They're sparks, but I call them sparkles because I like to be fancy. So Magic Sparkles onto O, and it makes the O, Mr. O appear and say his name. So this word is home. Who could give me another word? Easy.
Comb.
Comb. So comb, like you comb your hair, is C-O-M-B. Doesn't follow our rule. And then C-O-M-E is actually comb. Ah! That's silly English language. Any other words? Aubrey.
School.
So school has double O, which says ooh, ooh. So we want Magic E that says with Mr. O. What about this word? N-oat. Note. What about that? Note. Any other words? I'll do one more and then I'm going to have you all write down a word. Zoe.
I forgot it. Let me see. Oh yeah, it was wrote.
Wrote. Like you wrote your name. Right. That's the W-R with the W being silent. And you wrote your name. Right. Who could give me, now what I want you to do is everyone has something to write with? I would like you to write one word, okay? Think of words that end with ope, oat, own. I'm trying to think. I need an alphabet chart to look at. Obe, even. Obe. Ol, like ol. What else? O's. Ove. Trying to give you some ending sounds.
What about bottle?
Bottle has ah. We want words that have o. Okay? It does have an O and an E in it, but we want words that have o.
How many words?
Just one. Okay, if you got a word, show it to me. If you don't, it's okay. You got a word, show it to me. If you don't, it's okay. So show me your work. Okay. Okay, we got some good thinking. Lots of the long O sounds. Ooh, there's a good one. We got the word stove. Okay? Stove. So we have the word stove. Stove, right? Stove. Good. What else? Emmy, that does have magic E in it. However, that says love, not loave. So it's a word that doesn't follow the rule. Ah, silly English language, right? Oh, stone. I like that one too. Stone. 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 Something else I was thinking of was the word rode. Like she rode her bicycle to the store. Rode. What about, oh yeah, journey. Good one. Rope. Rope. Hope. Nope. Mope.
What about goat?
So goat is a different long O rule. I know, there's so many words. Goat is spelled like this. Goat is G-O-A-T. Goat.
What about boat?
Boat is also B-O-A-T. They don't follow the rule. So they're different long O words. Which we'll actually talk about in the next couple weeks.
Rope.
So we have rope.
Slow.
We have cone, right? Slow is O-W.
What about...
Okay, Okay. Who else? Oh, nose. Yep. Nose is a good one. Right. So we have... Okay, I would like everyone to unmute themselves, but you're going to repeat after me, okay? Ooh, home, too. I'll do that one, two-person. Okay, ready?
I'm not. I'm just going to focus.
Home.
Oh, Randy! Home. Note.
Repeat after me. Note. Rote.
Rope.
Stove. Stone. Road. Rope. Cone. Nose. And home. Home. Good. I would like everyone to mute themselves in 3, 2, 1. Everyone should be muted by now. Mute, 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 mute. Okay, the next one we're going to talk about real quick before we do our book is words that end with magic E and have Mr. U. So they changed Mr. U from Up the Umbrella to Mr. U to say his name, which is ooh. Everyone should have been muted. Okay, so like words, and I'm just going to go through these pretty quick, like words like cube, okay, cube, mule, rule, brute, I wrote those really big. I just realized that. Hold on. Cube, mule, rule. There we go. Brute. Anybody have any other words they could give me? Bristol.
Nope. Mute.
Mute. Good one. Right. Mute. We mute every day. Mute. What else? Journey.
Blue.
Blue is one. It is. It has this. It's blue is one. But it doesn't have the consonant in the middle. But you're right. Blue is one. It was kind of like Mo. Mo is one too, but it doesn't have the consonant. Riley.
Hello?
You're mute. Yep.
What about unmute?
Unmute would be one, right? You would just put un in front of this. Yep. Any different words? Zoe.
Tube.
Tube. How about cute? Okay. So I would like everyone to unmute, and you're gonna repeat after me, okay? Unmute.
Unmute.
Cube.
Cube.
Mule.
Mule.
Rule. Brute. Mute. Unmute. Tube. And cute. Good. Okie dokie. So those are our Magic E and Magic O. I'm sorry, Magic E for U and O. I need everyone to mute themselves in 3, 2, 1. Alrighty, remember these are short, quick mini lessons. So now we're going to read the beginning part of our new book. So our new book today is Cactus Hotel. It's written by Brenda Z. Guberson and illustrated by Megan Lloyd. Cactus Hotel. On a hot, dry day in the desert, a bright red fruit falls from a tall saguaro cactus. Plop! It splits apart on the sandy floor. 2,000 black seeds glisten in the sunlight. What type of cactus is this book about? What type of cactus? Who could raise their hand and tell me? Bristol.
Saguaro.
It's about the saguaro cactus as well. So this is just a different book about the saguaro cactus. So see,
Can I go use the bathroom?
You can, but you'll miss the lesson, sweetheart, because I'm just going to keep going.
Okay.
When the air cools in the evening, an old pack rat comes out and eats the juicy fruit. Then he skitters across the sand. A seed left clinging to his whiskers falls off under a Palo Verde tree. It is a good place for the seed to drop. A spotted ground squirrel looking for something to eat does not see it. A house finch chirping high in the Palo Verde does not see it. So now he moved the seed from the cactus. After many dry days, a heavy rain falls on the desert. Soon a young cactus sprouts up from the ground. That's interesting. So after many dry days, why is it so dry there? Who could raise their hand and tell me? Why is it so dry? Easy?
Because it's in the desert.
They
don't really get a lot of rain.
That's right. You don't get a ton of rain in the desert. Good job. Slowly, the seedling grows. The Palo Verde protects it from the hot summer sun and cold winter nights. After 10 years, the cactus is only 4 inches high. 10 years! So it grows really slow. You know how you guys sprout up like green beans and you grow really fast? The cactus doesn't grow fast. He grows really slow. He's only 4 inches. That's a little bit bigger than my fingers here. It is just big enough for desert ants to climb its spiny sides. After a rainstorm, when the desert blooms with color, the cactus pulls in water with its long roots and looks fat. A young pack rat stops to drink the water that drips off the tree. Then she scurries off looking for a dry place to nest. So see there, it's really small. And here it's starting to look a little more fat and plump because with its roots it's soaking up the water. When there is no rain, the cactus uses up the water it has stored inside and looks thin. The Palo Verde loses its tiny leaves, but there is always some shade for the cactus below. After 25 years, the cactus is 2 feet tall. A jackrabbit cools off beside it, gnaws on the green pulp. But when a coyote moves in the distance, the jackrabbit disappears into a nearby hole. So this is the jackrabbit. He's using the cactus for shade, and he's gnawing at the green pulp. And then when he sees a coyote in the distance, he jumps into that hole. Hole is a magic-y word for Mr. O. After 50 years, the cactus stands 10 feet tall and looks straight and strong beside the old Palo Verde. For the very first time, brilliant white and yellow flowers appear at the top of the cactus. Every spring from now on, the flowers will open for one night only and then close in the heat of the day. They beckon like a welcoming signal across the desert. At different times of the day and night, birds, bees, and bats come for nectar. Okay, so I have a question here. What are some things that the cactus needs to live? What are some things the cactus needs to live, Zoe?
He needs water.
The cactus needs water, yes. What else do you think the cactus needs being a plant? Anyone else? What do you think the cactus needs since he's a plant? Or it's a plant? Vita?
Some white flowers, because in the last book there were white flowers.
So does the cactus need white flowers? What does the cactus need to grow? The cactus needs water. The cactus would need soil, right? The cactus would need the sun, right? So the cactus needs all those things, and then all of these animals need the cactus to live, right? The flowers dry up, and after a month, the bright red fruit filled with black seeds is ripe and ready. A Gila woodpecker comes to eat. He looks around the cactus and decides to stay. He has found the perfect place in the desert to begin a new hotel. Do you think the woodpecker is going to start an actual hotel with beds and breakfast and all of that? No, it's just a hotel for him, right? His home. He's starting his home, right? So see, that's the Gila woodpecker. And then that's the saguaro standing there next to the old. He's taller than the old Palo Verde. Look, the cactus is taller than the old Palo Verde. And that is where we're going to stop today, okay? But I'll finish the rest tomorrow in my recording. But before you leave, I want to go over your cease activity. But I'm going to finish my recording.